Welcome to Festive Phrases from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Mark, and each day of December, I'm bringing you a festive phrase in a different language. Today, I'm with Gianluca, because we're learning Italian.
Ciao, mi chiamo Gianluca. Come stai?
Sto benissimo, grazie. I'm very well, thank you. So today, we're learning Italian. Italian is obviously the official language of Italy, but it's also spoken in Switzerland. It's an official language there, along with French, German, and a language called Romansh. Like Romanian yesterday, Italian belongs to the Romance family of languages, along with Spanish, Portuguese, French, Romanian, and a number of other languages, some of which we'll cover later in this series. Now, I'm sure you already know many words in Italian. Lots of food terms that we use in English come from Italian. For example, spaghetti, pasta, pizza, even gelato, which means ice cream. But today, we're here to learn a festive phrase, and Gianluca is going to tell us how you say Happy Christmas in Italian. Over to you, Gianluca, and we'll repeat Happy Christmas after you.
Buon Natale.
Okay, let's try saying this again after Gianluca. Gianluca, can you say this more slowly, please?
Buon Natale.
Okay, it's time to add our Italian speakers to the map of the world. Now, there are over 61 million Italian speakers in the world, and adding them to our total so far, we can now send a festive greeting to 1,754,856,776 people in the world. Tomorrow we'll be back with another language. But for now, thank you and goodbye.
Grazie, arrivederci.
Festive Phrases is brought to you by the Radiolingua Network. If you would like to find out more about learning a language anytime, anywhere with Radiolingua, please visit our website on radiolingua.com. To find out about our workshops and products for schools, please visit radiolinguaschools.com.